the time.
You take the rest of the tools from that and you just chuck them in the new one. Are we waiting on anyone? How many people in the race?
No idea.
And people are here. 1, 2, 3.
Ryan, I also saw that TikTok, and that is gray, not blue.
There's
We're
9
missing
people
one
in the
person.
race.
9 in the race.
Yeah, there's 8 here. So you'll line up and give it like 30 seconds.
I also
Black guy doesn't
saw
come.
the TikTok, and I'm just saying that I'm considering it was just rage bait because there's no way someone
There's
thought
no
that
way
was
that's
blue. Did you
Oki
see?
might.
Did you see her post a photo next to the couch that she also thought
on
was
water.
blue?
No.
Yeah, well, it was
Is what
equally
we're
as
talking
gray.
about, James? I thought Ryan posted it on Twitter.
See, Rainer, I think you should start in front of me. I'm still starting in the back because you can't drive.
What the fuck?
But if there's anything I know about that car, it's a little rocket ship.
Oh, it is.
I don't have the
Ryan, you
flat six in it though. I have
Ryan,
the flat four.
What up?
Can you make it?
see this buffalo in front of us?
Yeah?
Can I make it what?
Damn.
Oh, wow, okay.
Look
Kind of like a
fucking
zebra
around.
pattern, no?
Yeah, on one side, you're right.
She's almost here.
Oh wow, they're passed out. They're sleeping at the wheel.
Probably did too many drugs this morning.
Terrell.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I see a car.
There she is. There she is.
I think so.
Yeah, that's
She brought the Pluto. Damn. Oh, we're all fucked. We're all fucked.
Go, go, go.
I'm started.
Hi, Ryan. Oh, God.
Oh, oh my goodness. No, my line. That thing's so loud.
What did you just do? Holy fuck. That car is actually so loud. That's the Ford GT tax. Holy fuck. Oh my god, for a moment I thought we're on that other track where it takes the next turn. That was scary. Too paranoid of locals. How am I in second? Someone passed a checkpoint and not realize? Oh my gosh, I thought I hit the fucking tree. I cut that way too fucking close. Am I lapping the Futo? Is this the Futo? I think I just lapped someone.
See Ryan?
I think I lapped the Futo.
Oh yeah, I locked her.
Okay. We just created a fucking roadblock for other people on the track. And the local got out of their truck.
Good shit, Ryan.
What was your time?
Total time?
Yeah.
7:23.
Oh my gosh.
What'd you get?
7:44.
She was done, but she's just doing her second lap. You wanna know my plan? My master plan?
What's the
Ryan?
plan?
So don't tell anybody, but I'm shitface 153641.
Right.
My plan is to get shitface 153641 at the top of the ladder, and then retire from racing.
And by that you mean a new alias?
A new alias.
Damn.
And then just keep shitface at the top of the ladder, and all the racers are gonna get mad because he's just at the top of the ladder.
Yeah, but what if people start win trading?
Then they're cringe.
Yeah, you're right. Hold on.
Because I guess I would assume there's no rating drop off.
Well, I don't know. You might be the reason there is.
I might add rating drop. Hey, and if I had rating drop off, so be it. That's a good change.
Hey, where is everyone?
I don't know.
What happened?
Jim Diesel's top racer in the city. Where the fuck's that guy?
I don't know. I think we got freelo from him.
Jim,
Bro. Fuck that.
what the hell happened?
Bro, I hit that bike, right? When you go ahead, and then I hit a fire hydrant and it just completely disabled my car. And then the car was just fucked. Like, it just wasn't turning at all.
Jesus.
All right, whoever's in the white Furore, let me just say they paid the Furore GT tax. They got deleted by a local. They were right next to me. I saw them at the corner of my eye get absolutely destroyed, and in my mind I thought, that's the Furore tax.
Oh shit, bro. If I hit that fleeker, I'd go now. You wanna go, Liam?
The what?
The fleeker?
Is it
You
too
can
late?
really go like... No, it's between 5 and 7.
Yeah, we can go.
I'm gonna go get my, oh, real quick.
Aren't you cutting it short? You gotta go now.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go get my cipher and then we go. Wait, where is it? Oh my...
How much BT do we get? Oh my god. Oh, it's because I'm an admin. Holy fuck. You see that, chat? They disappear. They just move out of the way. I spoke too soon. Huh? Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good. It's a J, by the way. That's a J. Not in my eyes.
Wow. Hello? Hello?
what fleet did you guys rob?
Legion Square.
Yeah.
Why?
James and I are going to rob.
Hmm.
Does anyone know someone who drives a blue Elegy?
It's ours, Ryan.
Oh.
I swear I had his number. Hmm. Convinced it's gonna be posted here.
No.
98 BET for that. Holy fuck.
That's Jordan's car. Not Jordan's, Sergio's car.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Oh, where is he? Oh, sorry, where is he?
He was in my car and then he wasn't.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You think that's why? Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's what happened earlier. Actually, did say that.
You guys hear me?
Oh, damn.
Yes.
All
I'd
right.
just like to announce that Shitface is officially number one racer in the city.
What?
I just need to know.
Out though.
That's number one racer in the city. I'm excited.
That's actually funny.
Yeah, you know, I'm not trying to brag. I'm top 20.
I can drive. No! I can drive. I can drive. Chat, we just got 100. Okay, Alana's working. We just got pretty much 100 BET. We could Gamba again. We don't need parts, though. That's the fucked up thing. How does Southside feel after Nike's changes? Let's go find out. Hmm. Go deeper into the south side. Nope, nope. What was the lowest number there? 119? And 17. And 17 again. It's hard to drive and like stare at the FPS counter, but it's like full sending. Let me full send west on Innocence. East, rather. West to east. No, FPS is solid all throughout. Head to Mirror Park. We did have a pretty decent FPS drop by Mirror Park earlier. And it was in like A similar area to where it used to happen before, I'm pretty sure. There. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Wait, so is it still in the tunnels? We can go check. Is it this tunnel? I don't actually know where it spawns. This car is busted off-road. Hold on. Easiest way to get away from cops. Holy fuck. Closer to the old casino. Entrance to the tunnel closer to the old casino. I can drive. Probably hasn't moved. Okay, so it depends, Mud, because there was an unintentional crash. And then the message that was posted. Hold on. I screenshotted it because I thought it was hilarious. Hold on. It was posted by Test McTester. Server unfortunately crashed, which had hold on. Which had the good fortune to add some optimization. I don't know if that. I don't know.
So I can be an anchor. Oh, that's a good fucking thing.
Wait, so you're talking about these tunnels over here to the left?
Gang, we're racing. You guys want to join?
Is it X-Class?
The X-Class question mark? Probably. Yes.
Yes, I'll join. If it's not, I'm not going.
Nah, it's an X-Class.
my gosh. The color of the car. Go get some water. Who knows what could happen to the server? Holy fucking color change. Okay, I'm just saying, imagine me running from the cops, only having Air 1 on me,
Go back! Go back!
going in here,
Bro, you just got finessed.
swapping these off,
Fuck.
U-turning, driving this way right past the cops.
To learn that one, bro. But he won't. He's not gonna fall for it twice.
Is that possible?
Hands down.
Rather,
Oh, he's catching me with my
I'd
pants
rather
down.
not
Oh.
catch him with no pants down. I'm good.
Never know.
I don't want to see his wiener.
I know, Jasper, you need like... Bro, where's Bianca, bro? You would race with her passenger. I know already. You're that type of guy. You're like, I'm not needed to race, bro, but then you want to impress. And then suddenly he goes crazy. How many locals I can fucking land on? Like, what am I gonna impress with? I would catch every single local that is on the fucking out. By the way, there's a Ferrari parked in my house if anybody wants to race a nice car.
It's a nice car, guys. It's a nice car.
It's a nice car.
This races, but it's an imagination.
I've never done this one.
Yeah.
Neither.
No, we're gonna race.
Just park on a Daily Globe, honestly.
On the way. On the way.
Fence is dead. Yeah, top.
Where do people park for this race? Oh, I see.
Alright, shitface is coming. Don't start without me.
You guys make me sick. You two make me sick. Yeah. You two make us sick. Jesus. Yeah, you make us sick to our stomach.
Yeah, what did we do?
Nothing.
What's happening?
And then,
Yeah, you done enough.
I don't know. Selena's just mad at me because I stole her passenger. But, like, I need the passenger more than she does.
Right.
that's not true. What I do, I'm the one that's gonna be in the
true.
back of the race crashing out 7 times. I need somebody to talk to while I'm repairing the car.
Yeah, but I need to be able to compete with the good cars with my not so good car.
This is all sounding suspicious.
It's not suspicious.
No, it's sounding real suspicious.
Also, guys, I think I started a trend because apparently someone else has this car and it looks exactly like mine. I never saw nobody drive this car before me. So
What car is it?
the Sultan RS Classic. Engine
No.
swapped with a flat 6.
Does it drive nice?
Decent, but it's front wheel drive, so there's that. It's decent. It handles really well. but
Isn't
it's a
the
little
issue with
lacking
front wheel drive
in
cars that like
acceleration.
if it's got too much acceleration, aren't you just gonna understeer and die?
No, I don't think it understeers.
I mean, if you did have too much acceleration.
Oh, I see what you.
You know, like if you put in like a
Yeah,
juiced engine.
Probably. Yeah, probably. Although I did try an E6 in this, and it was actually really nice. So.
Yeah, I wanted an
wanna
E6 for
get an
my
E6.
RT3000, but then Bruce Baylor wanted $500,000 for the block.
Yeah, it's not an easy one to get.
I pulled the JCE6 the other day.
Did you sell it?
It's expensive.
No, it's in the vodka.
Yeah. Smart choice.
Hey, Benz, where you at?
Man, should I start
So you have an
unboxing
E6
engines?
in your vodka, and you want my passenger? You're greedy.
And
You're
bro,
greedy.
I'm a dog water driver. I need somebody to talk to while I'm repairing the car.
Just don't have to repair it.
I'm a bad driver.
Just listen. The best way to drive faster is to not crash. Because when you're crashed, you're not moving at all.
What
you
in
know
the
what I'm saying?
world?
That's pretty slow.
What's happening
Wow,
here?
you don't say. Oh my god, thank you for clarifying that
I
for
don't
me.
know these
Because like I
shit,
totally
but
didn't
I
know
agree.
that.
No problem. No problem.
Unbelievable development, dude.
Plus, like, can't lie. Emmy matches my car. She doesn't match your
Who would have
car.
seen it coming?
What am I, an accessory?
You treat me like an
Damn.
accessory.
I'm just saying that you match the
Trying to
car.
be like me, bro, because I don't care.
Kind of true. I'm sorry, Pookie. I would be your passenger any day,
I remember
but
this. I'll remember this. This betrayal.
I was already spoken for.
I'll remember this betrayal.
Awkward.
Nah, Rex, that was stuff.
Rex is like the gang
What's going
first
on?
type person, though.
We're just talking about the love square angle going on
It's a
over there.
trapezius or whatever you call it at this
Yeah,
point.
yeah. A whole hexagon.
It's, you know, it's getting jiggy in the gang, bro.
Really?
Actually, it's
I'm
not in the
hearing
gang. It's just
Axel's
Rex from the gang.
trying to date Emmy, and then now
Yeah.
Rex is taking out Emmy for hella races.
And then Denji already tried dating Emmy back in the days, and he's back now. So
And
you see where
now,
we're going.
and now Denji's back now, so that's like a. He might, you know, he still likes her probably to this day.
Yeah, shit's getting fucking
That's
crazy.
awkward.
There's gonna be a love square angle.
Hey.
Well, how's it gonna work once once Emmy decides who to pick? Do you think the others are gonna be jelly?
I mean, somebody has to secure the bag, right?
Damn.
This is not good. This is not good.
I mean, to be fair, I mean, wait, actually, it's.
I'm still the same person, okay?
I don't know.
All the fame did not get to my head, don't worry.
What do you mean, bro?
I mean, I feel like there's only one option.
Oh, there's really just one option, huh?
There's really just
Hey,
one
Benz.
option. W.
Can you, as the most responsible? Hey, this stuff, we got this from Cargo a few days ago, and I just got it back, so I'm just gonna be giving it to you.
Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Just some shit that was on the ground that I forgot there that I got it back.
Oh, thank you, sir. Like
How's the
gunpowder and
Fleeka?
shit, or is it just this?
This is that.
How's the Fleeka?
All of this shit is fucking useless.
Yeah, that's why it's useless, but it's yours. It's your useless shit. So
Thank you, thank you.
Wow.
Appreciate
What the? Hold on. Everything was useless.
all the effort that guy went through to go get it.
Hi, totally not street face.
Some guy worked really hard to get it, Benz.
Hi.
Oh, did you guys? Nah, this is totally super useful for us.
Super
like,
useful shit.
Thank you so much for
What is
putting
it?
this effort. It's 10
Yeah, what is
shotgun
it?
magazine housings, 9 pistol housings, and 6 SMG magazine housings.
And two thermite.
That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty
And 2
good.
thermite.
Two thermite.
Wow.
That does sound pretty good.
I mean, it's a little discount on the things we get, right? So it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
bad.
I want you to start this up. We're gonna turn around straight real quick.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh man, oh man.
Beautiful, beautiful. Are we getting this
Hold
stuff
on.
started?
Sorry to whoever drives it. It just
No,
looks
you ate.
chunky.
Why aren't you
It does. It does. It is an ugly ass car.
Wait, which
What's the
car's
best
ugly?
one?
Wait, but Emmy could be whipping that shit.
The blue one. It looks chunky in the front.
She'd be going crazy with
It's got chubby cheeks.
It does. It also looks kind of surprised. Hmm.
It does look surprised.
I'm not gonna lie. I really like the front end of this car.
Looks good.
Oh, that's sexy.
I even like the back.
Yo, is this like a secret gang meeting, guys, or can I come over here?
You know what I said? Hey, Jim, come over here. You know what I said yesterday, Arnie? I said I had a lot less fun when people like Lily, Matt, and James Malding left, because then all that was left was people actually racing and trying to get good times. So I got bored.
Yo, wait. Yo, question. You guys mind if I go get the Bugatti since it's an X-Class race?
That'd be a thing.
This guy fell off the ladder and he wants to go get the Bugatti.
That'd be fast.
I'll be right back, guys.
I'm banning him from the race the moment he comes back with that Bugatti.
You know my last race I got bored, Arnie, and I just slammed into the wall on purpose. And I said, I'm out.
Oh. I mean, it was fun.
It's not a bad game, but I couldn't figure out how to turn off like some of the assists. It only said 3 assists, and I couldn't figure out how to turn the other ones.
Oh, you had to click there was like a thing for advanced settings.
Yeah, and it was boring because it was like doing too much, you know, and I was just like fucking.
You weren't even driving the car, huh?
No, that's why I got bored.
Yeah, no. I turn all that shit off and then.
Nerds.
What?
Nerds.
Talking about a racing game.
I know. That's why I'm calling you nerds.
Rather just race in real life.
Yeah, obviously. Why would you waste your time racing in a video game?
Duh.
When you can do it in real life. You know what you can't do in real life?
What?
Shoot people.
You know, cast spells and stuff, like in the League of Legends.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I got a message about League of Legends yesterday. I ignored it.
Oh, wow.
That shit sounds fucking tragic.
It was a day where I was like down to try it, but then I said no.
Stealing government equipment.
If
I don't
Jaden's
think I'd
washed,
like it.
but not Jaden, bro. Jasper's washed, bro. Almost. I would have fucking shot that cop, yo.
Yeah.
Bro, Jim and I were gonna shoot the hostage at the bank. We told.
Now we can shoot, bro.
Yeah,
like no
listen.
cops now.
That's why we told Lucas Miller to fucking sing, and he kept saying, "No, I'm not gonna shoot. You're not gonna shoot the hostage. I'm not gonna sing." And I'm like, Jim and I were like, we should gun down everyone right now, but there's only 4 cops on duty.
Yeah.
What happened to the
race then.
Enzo took my access from the house, bro.
That's
good. Honestly, good.
Actually a tragedy.
Actually a tragedy, bro.
Yo, Jordan, how you been liking the Komodo? Yo, that's just fire, no?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright. Let's
I had
race
one for a
then.
while.
Is it time?
Oh, you've had one? Oh, you got one?
Yeah. It's at my house.
Oh, I didn't know you had one. What do you got in it?
What was his track?
The 3.5.
No idea. I probably should have looked.
3.8 in this.
Nah, we wing it. I've never seen it.
The 3.5 is nice. It's like 4.
Yeah.
You grabbed out his hand, Remy.
Which way does it go? Does it go north?
But he's
or
really
south?
holding up to the hand where you don't have a hand.
I don't know.
It goes up.
Here's the cops.
Jasper's in cuffs.
They're all lining up for the
Unlucky for him.
Because I had hope.
just for my badge.
Let him get bullet
I
spread
see
on it.
nothing else, just my badge.
This guy's free game. Just arrest him.
What?
I am sorry.
That's crazy work.
I don't know if everybody.
All right, Jasper's uncuffed.
Bro, there's so many Ferraris now, dude. Badge.
Okay, I started. Is everyone good?
Gotta drop the clutch. I learned that yesterday. Whatever that means, bro.
Vroom, vroom.
careful, those fucking things are fucking solid. They're like arrow signs.
Well, you're not wrong.
I followed the wrong person.
We don't know the track.
Yeah, I didn't go straight. I was gonna go straight, and I saw him turn left, so I turned.
Ryan, I followed you following him.
Oh my God, it's your fault.
I think this might be a long race. I'm not sure.
It's got Big Gooner in front of me, bro.
Yo, just
Hi, Arnie. Bye.
Hey!
crazy corners, bro.
Holy fuck. That's fucking tough.
Just swap your Ferrari, bro. With everyone else is done. Yeah, V12.
Hey, and just off the Ferrari.
Yeah, they have V12s in different Ferraris now.
Ooh. Does Jim Alding have one in the Ferrari? Because his shit
Yeah, he has
sounds
the
different.
V12. He has the V12. Yeah.
Or it doesn't help that much, though.
I like the Ferrari how it is, bro.
Yeah, there's no way to get in.
There's extra performance to be gained.
Yeah, for the fucking cost of what? Fucking $5.
I don't like the Dyson fucking lawnmower sound, bro. That's bad.
Now you put a Yoda in it, that's different.
I ain't got money like that.
Well, thoughts on the race so far? I don't think it's that bad. It's like fast.
It's a little boring, no? Like going straight.
Exit, so like say whatever you want, bro. If it's in your mind. 2, 3. Up in my shitty car, so it's not bad. Right?
Very unfortunate.
Imagine I went up the freeway. Got a lot of traffic up ahead, guys.
Good calm, sir. Copy that.
Good calm.
Weather report. Somebody, weather report.
Weather report. Weather report.
The weather is blue, possibly gray. It's hard to
I'm gonna
tell.
Get chased by cops, by the way. I crashed out because fucking D is pulling out in the front of the middle of the street race in a fucking scowl like a moron. I'm about to shoot these guys. I'm about to shoot all 4 of them. I'm not even kidding.
Whoa, calm down now. Calm down.
I'm about to shoot all 4 of
Period.
them.
See, calm him down, Emmy. He's about to become the host.
I was laughing too much, I crashed.
I'm actually about to shoot all of them.
Yo, Emmy, he's about to go.
I know.
Calm him down.
Hulking out. What am I supposed to do? It's kind of deserved.
Actively chasing the street race. They know where it's happening. They know what's happening. And a scout pulls out in the middle of the fucking street race.
have edge one out of.
They one.
Yeah. Ever one of me, bro? I'm smoking.
Maybe everyone.
Yeah. Like no pop vision.
You're all crashed out by a G6.
Hey, careful. The little orange and white caution thing is very solid.
Yeah.
I'm smoking.
Like an arrow, bro. That's insane.
And then it planted into the ground.
I need to be careful. That's the wrong way, bro.
No, I know I couldn't go in the right side though. There was some traffic. Well, I'm destroyed.
Holy fucking headache.
You do?
I lost my number one pole position.
I'm one with a shit car. I hope you guys know that.
You good, Rex?
Yeah, yeah.
That's truly unfortunate.
I can fix your shit this month.
Hit a local and it just ruined everything, bro.
I saw Goldman in place earlier, like that was crazy.
I was in fourth.
Who's
and then
being
I
chased?
right at the end.
Like you had it in you though. You had it in you to perform better than last place for a second, you know?
I am, but I'm good.
Jordan tried driving a swapped gauntlet. Gauntlets drive considerably differently though.
Then more races we don't know, so I keep winning. Like, seem to have an advantage on roads.
He
like,
threw in stage 5 everything,
knows.
and I think I don't know if it was a yoke, but something crazy. And it's good in a straight line, but it's kind of like a death trap. Actually, wait, no, it turned well, didn't it? I don't know, I forget. Elegies fit the driving style that I like, which is a two-door all-wheel drive car. That's why I really liked the Penumbras in 3.0.
Is anyone getting chased?
Yeah, I'm just playing around though. Actually, I think that's unlucky. right back on. There's like no bench. There's like no benches anymore, bro. Anyway, no. What the fuck?
Yeah. Not a good and bad. As much as it fucked us up, it fucks us up as well.
Arnie dog. I have to say though, I can't do the next race, bro. I lost 2 bets, so I have 8 bets left. Tragic.
You want some? I'll give you some.
Yeah. 3182, bro. Give me a little stuff.
3182?
There's no way he said I lost 2 bets. Tragic. I can't race. Wheel drive understeers a lot, doesn't it? It depends. It depends. In my opinion, one of the all-time best driving cars of 3.0 was the Sultan RS V8. It looked good, it drove good, everything about it was good, and I want it back. I would do unspeakable things for that car. Ah! Oh. Pfft. Oh my god, I should be dead. Spoke too soon.